Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to share with you how to organize your business. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step exactly what you need to do in order to make this happen. So the first thing I want you to do is audit your existing business. So what do you currently have in place when it comes to systems and organization? So you want to take a look at what tech tools you're using, or maybe you're like how I was and you have notebooks all over the house. It really doesn't matter where you're starting from, so don't feel bad if you're super unorganized or anything. That is totally fine. So we're just taking a look and we're jotting down where all of this information is stored. It's very likely that you do have documented workflows, but some are over here and some are over here. So what I want you to do is gather all of that information and bring it together. So take a look at how your files are organized and where you currently have any of your workflows or processes documented. So now that you've had a look at the systems in your business, now let's figure out exactly what tasks you need to get done. So I want you to write down literally everything that you do in your business. And you can break this up into a few categories. So for example, you might have a category for client delivery, you might have another one for product creation, and another one for sales and marketing. So literally jot down every single thing that you are doing right now and you're actually getting done. And then also write down some tasks that you would love to be getting done that is not currently happening. Okay, so once you've done this step, you should have a monster list of every single task that you have to do in your business. So the next thing we need to do is figure out our big goals. This way we know what it is that we are working towards. So if you haven't already, make sure that your goals are written down in a place where you can always refer back to them and know exactly what it is that you're working towards this year. So if you haven't written down your goals, go and do that now. If you already know what your goals are, then great. Now we need to go back to the task list and figure out, okay, is there anything from this list that needs to be cut? Are you doing things that really aren't in alignment with your goals and not going to help you achieve them? In that case, maybe these tasks need to be removed completely from the list, or maybe you need to outsource tasks that you personally don't need to do, but still need to get done. This is all to make sure that what we are actually doing every single day in our business is going to help us achieve those big goals that we have. All right, the next step in organizing is decluttering. So decluttering both your mind and your workspace. So if your workspace is a mess and you have books and notes all over the place, it's very likely that's how your brain is going to feel as you attempt to tackle the workday. So take some time, have some fun with this, put on some music, and clean up your workspace so that when you walk into it, you feel super inspired and ready to get to work. And then you get to declutter your mind. So here is where you get to delete some stuff. All of us have so many projects and things on the go, so it's really important that we stay on top of our files because that can really bog you down. If I open my computer and my desktop has like a million different things on it, I just feel more stressed. So go through your computer, any file system that you're using, and see what you don't need anymore and you can just get rid of. And finally, the last step in organizing your business is to start using an online project management system. This way, everything will always be online and easily accessible from both your laptop and from your phone. Honestly, this has been such a game changer for me. I used to rely on physical notebooks and planners, and now I have everything online, and you can do so much more with it. It really takes your organizational system to a whole other level. Now I can document and save all of my workflows in one place. I can duplicate them and use those checklists again whenever I need to do that task. So I'm never stressed out about, okay, what do I need to do next? I also store all of my templates and files easily accessible with the project that I'm working on. And on top of this, because I've put all of the tasks that I need to accomplish into this software, every day when I wake up, I know exactly what I need to do, and I know that I'm working on things that are going to help me achieve my biggest goals. So it really doesn't matter which one you use, though I will tell you my favorite is Asana. What's most important is that you take your organizational system to the next level, and you can do all sorts of amazing stuff with Asana that's going to help you get more done and save you time. So if that sounds good to you and you would love to know how to set up Asana as your project management system, click the link in the description below or the one appearing on screen right now to grab my free Asana roadmap. This is going to show you how to set it up for success. And also, once you download that, you'll be on my list and you will get notified when I host special training series, which I'm doing very, very soon. So make sure you grab that and get on the list. I'm very excited for that new series. I do not have a name yet, possibly Systems Week. I don't know, we'll see. But there's gonna be a good name for it. It's gonna be super fun. It's going to be 5 days of free trainings. So I hope to see you there. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post new videos every single week designed to help you create a more successful online business. And you might be curious, okay, why did she choose Asana? You can check out this video here. It's my comparison between Trello and Asana and explains a few of the features that make Asana my absolute favorite. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye.